Hey everyone, it's Elisa from Photobox Designs, and I want to show you a quick method of using this adorable template that Stacy Raleigh made that is in our store, Photobox Designs. This template can be used for inside the box photography or it could be used for general photography. And it comes with if you look, you have a background layer. And if you click that off, you'll see that you have basically frames for four boxes, you have to shut the other ones off, six boxes, or nine boxes, all in one template, which is amazing. So I'm going to show you now. I was going to place an inside the box photo in here, but I think that I'm going to be a little bit lazy, and I'm just going to shut off the nine box, open up the one box, and put the background back on. There are no clipping masks that work here. So I wanted to give you a quick show on how to add your pictures in and then quickly crop them. So I'm going to place just a general image because, even though these are box templates, you don't have to use them for box photography. And I thought this was such a cute photo and it would look really, really cute inside this template. So I'm just going to take this photo. I brought it in. What I did was, by the way, I didn't tell you, file, place embedded, and just place it here. I'm going to make sure that it is under the one box layer. Okay, so it's under the frame for the one box, but you see how now all the little bits and pieces are sort of hanging off the side. So I'm going to place it and crop it exactly the way I want it. I might even, let's see, maybe make it a tiny bit smaller. So you can really see those little fuzzy ears. These babies are just so cute. I just thought this looks so cute in this template. It's nice to know that you can really take advantage of anything that we make that, might be designed and you think it's only for box photography, but really you can put anything in it. It's just a Photoshop template. So now you can see that the image is still hanging out the sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my marquee, my rectangular marquee, and I'm just going to basically take the marquee, bring it and make it so that it pretty much covers the frame. And I'm going to now apply a mask. I'm just going to click add layer mask. And now it's gone because you can see by the layer mask that anything that is white comes through, and that's the picture, and anything that is black is now covered. So that's just really quick and simple way to add an adorable photo inside any template in the store. So thanks for watching. There's a link in the comments, in the body of this tutorial where you could purchase this template and many, many others. And thanks for watching.